Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the bands on a Garmin Forerunner 235. So let's begin. You will need two T6 screwdrivers. There will be two slots that you will put the screwdriver into on both sides of each band, each side of the band, and then put them in at the same time. Hold one steady and strong as you twist the other one out. Go ahead, and I usually take the T6 screwdriver, and it's just a perfect hole just to push that other side out. There's still one piece. And do the same thing to the other side. As you're holding one side down, go ahead and twist the other side. You could always find these pins and these bands on our website at JoesGE.com. Sometimes these can be lost. You can always just purchase them and just replace them. They're all compatible with all Garmin watches. So let's go ahead and take our replacement bands. And the one with the hinges, with the adjusting slots, always goes on top. Garmin is pointed on top, and the buttons, two buttons are on the left or on the right hand side. So go ahead and stick that in there. It doesn't matter which way it goes, either this way or that way. It honestly doesn't really matter because they all look the same from both sides. So there's no particular way of doing it. So go ahead, just get that ready there. Just screw it in a little bit. Then grab the other side, just hold it in steady. Screw it in once more. Same thing goes to the other side. Doesn't matter which way you put it. I usually just put it in one way, but it doesn't really matter. It's not going to affect the way it functions. And screw it in a little bit, just enough to get it holding there so it doesn't pop right out when you try to screw it in. Go ahead and hold one of the screwdrivers and start screwing in until you feel it stop. And there you have it. That is how you replace the bands on a Garmin Forerunner 235. Thanks for watching, guys. All parts and accessories are all listed on our website at JoesGE.com.